Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome for you the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are study the question of the physics. The first question of the physics is a convex lens is also known as diverging lens, converging concave lens, converging lens, cylindrical lens. The correct answer will be converging lens. Option C is correct. Question number 2. A concave lens always forms real image, virtual and erect image, inverted image, magnified image. The correct answer will be virtual and erect image. Option B is correct. Question number 3. The SI unit of power of a lens is watt, meter, diopter, joule. Correct answer will be C, diopter. The SI unit of the power of a lens is the diopter. Question number 4. Power of lens is equal to 1 upon F, B F square, C F by 2, D 2F. The correct answer will be A. P is equal to 1 upon F. Correct answer will be question number 5. The focal length of a lens of power plus 2D is F is equal to 1 upon P is equal to 1 upon plus 2D is equal to 0.5 meter. The correct answer will be option A 0.5 meter, 2 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter. Correct answer will be A. Question number 6. The power of a concave lens is convex lens is negative, positive, zero, infinity. Correct answer will be positive. Option B is correct. Question number 7. The power of the concave lens is positive, negative, zero, infinity. The correct answer will be negative. Option B is correct. Question number 8. The optical center of a lens represented by F C O P. The correct answer will be O. Option C is correct. Question number 9. A convex lens forms a real image when the object is placed. Option A. Beyond the focal point. B. At the optical center. C. Between F and O. D. At F only. The correct answer will be A. Beyond the focal point. Question number 10. When an object is placed at the focus of a convex lens, the image is formed. Option A at F, B at 2F, C at infinity, option D at 2. The correct answer will be C at infinity. Question number 11. A concave lens is thinner at the center edge, both known. Correct answer will be center. A convex lens is thicker at the edge, center, both known. center. Option B is correct. Question number 13. The image formed by a concave lens is always option A real and inverted, option B virtual and erect, option C real and erect, option D inverted and magnified. The correct answer will be virtual and erect. Option B is correct. Question number 14. Lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. B 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. C f is equal to uv. D v is equal to u plus f. Correct answer will be A. Question number 15. The magnification produced by a lens is V upon U upon V, F upon U, F upon V. Correct answer will be V upon U. Option A is correct. Question 16. Which lens is used in the magnifying glass? Option A concave lens, option B convex lens, option C plane mirror, option D concave mirror. Correct answer will be concave lens. Question number 17. The image formed by a convex lens when the object is between F and O is option A real and inverted, option B virtual, erect and magnified, option C real and diminished, option D virtual and diminished. The correct answer will be B virtual, erect and magnified. Question number 18. The power of the lens having the focal length 25 cm is 2D, 4D, 8D, 0.4D. Correct answer will be 4D. Option B is correct. Question number 19. A lens with the shorter focal length has lesser power, more power, zero power, negative power only, so more power. Option B is correct. Question number 20. The unit diopter is used to measure focal length, magnification, power of lens, distance. Correct answer will be C, power of lens. Thank you so much, nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.